I'm meteorologist Colleen Angeles. Good Monday morning to you. We had such a beautiful weekend of weather, low humidity, temperatures in the 70s to low 80s. But we're going to start to see a transition today as we move into our radar over the next 12 hours. We'll be keeping an eye to the sky for the chance for a few storms painting our sky as the heat and humidity starts to build. That will set us up for our next threat, which is impact weather in the form of heat and humidity. High temperatures in the 90s will feel like it's near and over 100 degrees. So it's a hot and humid stretch of weather for us for this work week. We are keeping an eye on our weekend. Temperatures will start to settle back into the 80s, but it does look unsettled with a chance for storms. We have a heat advisory that goes into effect for Tuesday morning and continues through Wednesday, as this will be the peak of the heat and humidity that we're tracking this week. Dew point temperatures, or the measure of the moisture in the air, is increasing into the 60s today, so it starts to feel a little muggy, but you'll notice that humidity reaches its highest point tomorrow with a dew point near the upper 60s at just about 70 degrees. So that is tropical humidity arriving for our Tuesday. We'll start to feel that humidity dropping as we approach your Thursday and Friday. But because of this combination of heat and humidity, the concern here is that the feel like temperature heat index will reach more dangerous levels. So here is the projected highs over the next few days, and we could hold on to 90 even into Thursday. But you can see why Tuesday and Wednesday right now is under the advisory. It's because these 2 days will feature heat indices above the 100-degree mark. As we are counting the likelihood of more 90-degree days in our forecast this week, that means our 90-degree count to date is already at 12. Will likely jump to 14, possibly even 15 as we travel toward Thursday. And keep in mind, on average, we usually see about 14 90-degree days. So we are definitely running above average here, and that's probably by no surprise to you. But as we're looking at our summer to date so far, average temperature is the warmest we have seen to date. So things are definitely looking warm so far this summer. It's a warm day for us this afternoon. Upper 80s in the forecast. That is above average, but not quite the 90s. We'll see that tomorrow and Wednesday as we move down toward Cape Cod and the islands. Southeastern Massachusetts really will feel just slightly cooler as we do have a wind out of the southwest right off of the water down there. And speaking of that southwest wind, it does get gusty. We could see wind gusts approaching 20 to 25 miles per hour as we start to see some building clouds heading into this afternoon. Sail Boston festivities still underway. We have the Crew and Cadet Street Parade today kicking off at noon. At that point, we'll be making our way into the 80s. Watch for a few clouds. There are a few showers off to our west. A lot of that does appear to be falling apart here as we travel through this morning into the afternoon, but the chance for a spot storm or two can't be ruled out as this heat and humidity continue to build into today. I would say that potential comes to an end after sunset. So I would say by 9 o'clock things are drying out here. So we look dry for your overnight, but warm. Low temperatures in the 60s to near 70 degrees in the city, setting us up for a hot and humid Tuesday, mid 90s in and around the city. Look at the heat index. It gets up to 101 degrees in Norwood, could get up to 103, and hot spots like Lawrence. As we're tracking this building heat and humidity, we're also tracking a stronger potential for thunderstorms for your Tuesday moving into northern New England near the Canadian border. That's an area where there's a higher likelihood of not just severe thunderstorms, but possibly even tornadoes. So of course the question is, does some of that hold together as it shifts southward? And while the risk doesn't look very strong here in southern New England, there is that potential as we move into the afternoon, especially for us to see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms that could feature gusty winds. There's even a chance for some hail with these storms, although a lot of this activity, as you can clearly see, is staying to our north. A better chance for storms as we approach your weekend. It does look unsettled here as we will see a series of low pressure systems passing our area. So with this nearby, I would plan on the chance for a shower or storm chance passing by this weekend. Not a washout, can't declare that just yet, but definitely the chance is there. High temperatures go from the 90s for the middle of the week down into the 80s for your weekend.